The FDA's quality system regulation governed medical device compliance in the US for decades. As of February 2026, it's been replaced by something new, the Quality Management System Regulation, the QMSR. And if you haven't made the switch yet, you're already behind. The biggest change? The QMSR aligns US standards with ISO 13485:2016, the global benchmark for medical device quality. That means stronger risk management woven into every part of your quality system, tighter supplier controls, more rigorous documentation, and a major shift in management accountability. Internal audit and review reports are now subject to FDA inspection. If you're already ISO 13485 certified, you have a head start. But certification alone doesn't equal full QMSR compliance. Here's what you need to do now. Conduct a gap assessment against the new requirements. Update your documentation and procedures. Train your team on what's changed. And make sure risk management runs through your entire quality system, not just design validation. The QMSR is in effect. FDA inspections are already focused on these new standards. Don't wait any longer. Get more information, sign up for a demo, or a free trial at qt9software.com.